Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today this is much more going to be a story video. I'm just going to tell you something I just saw a while ago. So earlier today I was playing some PvZ, and then I got this ad. It was just cursed. You know how ads, they're always like stupid? Well, I got one which is straight up just stupid. Something that I noticed is that a strat that they use to get people to play it is simps. How? Because they freaking use hot babes being pregnant. Like, what the heck is that? So, like, that's what I'm telling you. The internet is not a safe place. Now I'm making the worst boat known to man. Yes. But it is secretly the best one. There we go. Yeah, I built it a boat. Well, yeah, ads are just dumb. Why did I don't know what is up with these people's minds, but they just have to make them pregnant. It's scary. It's just scary. It's scary. I have no brain at all.